creating pivot table for data analysis. Now, how can you now analyze this data individually? Summarize them individually before you attach your visualization or chart for reporting and other things. Now, what you're going to do now is you're going to summarize the year, month, region, sales, brand, customer, industry, sales channel, and that. Now, to do that, you are going to eliminate this one is just a summarization. You will eliminate this and start it individually. First thing you are going to do is that you create a new one called year. This one will go to name it as the year, which is for the year. Now we come here, go to insert, pivot table, existing worksheet, select the year, then where do you want to paste it? Enter. That is it. Then you select the year is going to the value area, while this sales value come here. You can see it. Then we have selected for the year. This is for our year. Now, having done that now, you can start to rename this by going to our home button, find and replace, or you can, instead of this one as long journey, you can just come here and write it at the top here. Here, sales value for year. This is this. You can now highlight it and merge and center. You bold it. You have done for that. The next one I'm going to do now is for the month. So you come click on this here, this one again, rename it as month. Go back to your data, click on the first one, insert pivot table, set existing worksheet, select and go select the month, drop it here, enter. Okay. Now you come to the month here, highlight the month and drop it here, hold it and drag, then the sales value to sales value area, which you have done now. You can now come to the up here as well and merge and center sales, capital letter, sales value for the month. Hold it, enter it. We have done for the month already. You can see them. This one is for the month. We have for the month. We have for the year. For the year, we have done that. Same for the year and for the month. But the next thing we are going to do now is the data for region. For the region. Then we come to this month again. Click on this place and select region. Type here region. On both region. Now select insert pivot table, existing worksheet, then select region. Drop it here. Click OK. This is for these 3 months now. Go to region, drag it and drop. Go to sales value, drag it and drop here. There you can now at the top here, you can now write merge and center sales value for region. Have you done that? Turn it up, hold it. That is all. Let's assume you have done for these 3 now. These 3 I have done. Then how do you now add your chart? We have others that are there. We have for the sales rep, brand, customer ID, sales channel. You can do that. This data, you can have it, or I can even post it on your WhatsApp channel. to your channel, then you can now download the data and finish up the remaining one. Then having done this, how do you now insert your chart? Then we shall continue for that in our next lesson. How to insert chart, how you can insert your chart, how you can insert chart to your data, how you can insert charts, how you can put charts in your data. That will be for our next lesson. See you in our next lesson as we continue. Thank you.